QQ.
My QQ.
Truth. Right now, I want to hear from him because he had something going right now. The next. With this next question, our beautiful guest, Teliwe Quincy. QQ.
My QQ.
Truth.
Yeah.
My.
Yeah. True.
QQ.
Hashtag.
I am
Hashtag that
blessed
part.
to have had you in this show. So going forward, I have a few more questions. We don't have much time,
Yeah,
right?
yeah.
You guys have been a blessing to come to this show, and you obviously gonna inspire more people to come out and wanna be like, "Ooh, what's going on over there?" Right? A lot of people follow you. You do not know, but you
I
are an
don't know,
inspiration
yeah.
to people. This is why you are Quincy.
Yeah. I didn't
So,
know about
Quincy,
that part.
Besides the farming thing that you're doing, obviously you maintaining, right? You maintaining your finances, everything like finances, your job. You already told us you're not gonna go to school because you
Your
already have a
relationship.
business, right?
Yeah.
And most people don't know this shit, man. I'm
They
sorry
think
for my
whatever I'm
French
posting is
friend.
upset
Yeah.
about my life. Yeah, I understand.
QQ.
Yeah.
You have this ikazil hamina, you know, sister. Like,
Yeah.
it makes me wonder. It makes me want to ask a question, and it's gonna be controversial. Did you guys ever be too friendly with each other?
Okay, yeah, well, when you're talking about too friendly, our friendship
Yes.
has no limit.
Right.
So, too friendly is a too
Is
is the one
somebody
that
looking
goes over
outside
the limit.
looking in, right?
Ours have no limit.
Right.
But the explanation to that deserves a show on its own.
You know, people have perceptions. They always think, oh, these
That's
guys
good.
are so tight.
That's good. That's good.
When's why are they so tight?
Perception yabantu, perception yabantu. Angesikwazi ukuyicontrol.
Is there,
But uma ungathi wena asichaze ukuthi why we so close. Leyo
which was gonna be my next question, bro?
leyo
Why are you guys so
ideserva
tight?
ishow yayo.
Really, ne?
Yeah.
You're right.
Leyo party deserve
I'm sure.
ishow
Look at
yayo.
it. Look at her expression right now. She's like,
Yeah.
oh, shit.
Yeah, you never know, eh?
Shit. Oh.
And they don't know about us.
Yeah, they will
And
never.
nobody will know about
But
us.
if
But
you want
at
us
the
to
end of the
explain
day-
it, give us a show just about that.
And then
You
we
know
have to
what?
talk about
I will
ourselves.
definitely, because you guys have been remarkable. You came out,
Yeah.
you
He's
stood
been
out.
there. He's been there for me. Nobody know about it.
So it's actually deeper than what I think.
Yeah, that's why I think
I've
it
been
deserves
there
what
a
for
it
show.
him
looks
when
like
I
in
was
the
doing stuff for
surface.
him when he was down. I mean, I owe him that because he's
Yeah.
been there before.
This is
I can see the mutual
He's
respect
been
that
there
you guys
before,
have with
and you
each
don't
other.
know about it.
This goes with
He's been
my
there.
next question with friendship.
Yeah.
You guys have a beautiful friendship that
He never
most
get an
people kind of
excuse.
wanna question with you. What's
make
going
me-
on?
or make me
Yeah.
pay for
What's
what-
going on? Yeah.
He never make me pay for what he's done for me. I've never paid. He's never paid for what I've done for him.
yeah.
We've been
And
there for
another
each
thing,
other.
I mean, I think
Right.
We've
the
been there.
friendship is now
I hear you.
more than anything. The friendship is now is based on the understanding. From understanding the mood as an individual.
Right. So kind of know your circle. Know who you dealing with.
And also understand ukuthi into eshiwo abantu ngomuntu umuntu usho into ayaziyo ngomuntu.
Oh, what they heard.
Don't judge that.
If wena Themba
Just
wezwa into
because I met you
bese
and then I'm
uceliwe
judging
into
with, oh, when I
ukuthi
did.
But that's a wrong way of
it's very wrong.
approaching
It's
life.
very wrong.
We are
You get to know somebody.
You
You have to
don't
get
know
to know
this
somebody in
guy.
order to judge.
You
You
never
have to
even
get to
talk
know
to him.
somebody.
You must
All of a
perceive
sudden, oh, because he's about
You must
Uyinja,
perceive
uyiqo,
umuntu.
uyisifebe, akwazi ungibone, akwazi wenza lutho already you're judging me. Ungibona ngithi igama langu uceliwe. Uthi,
Yeah.
oh, ule oceliwe.
Nayo-ke
Already.
into engishoyo
Leyo nto ukuthi
You
uzwe
must-
ngani.
you must perceive
You
umuntu
don't know
ngendlela
that
eza
person.
ngayo kuwe.
If
Right.
you wanted to judge me
Right.
before,
Ngoba manje
met me.
angathi uThemba uceliwe nangithi Mthimba niyamazi uceliwe athi
And then utshela iside lami.
wona uzongitshelela lakhe iside kodwa lokho
I don't like
kufanele
her. She's
sikwazi.
like this. She's full of herself.
Why
because
is it
she
this?
thinks this thing.
unamanga,
I've been
uyixoli,
told this
and you don't
shit.
know if
Yeah,
it's
I didn't even have a conversation with.
exactly. Already you are
with
judging
every
me.
person
Ngokusho igama lami.
never mind ukuthi sila
Ngiwuqiniso.
eConnecticut
So
kanjani kanjani.
basically, don't judge me.
Yeah, ungamjudge umuntu
Why?
ngento
Give everybody a benefit of a doubt. Have a conversation.
kodwa futhi at the same
Let
time
them.
Know somebody
kodwa futhi at the
before
same
you
time
judge.
Mthimbane
Yes.
Angikwazi
umuntu
ukujaja ngento obuzenza kwi-life yakho.
Oh,
Wena
yeah.
awuvela
People
kwazi.
change.
Awufika nge-Connecticut wathi uThemba Connecticut.
Right.
Uphume
I
efili, uphuma
have
everywhere.
skeletons.
Even engizozizwa ngoThemba besenze fili already mawufika Connecticut.
That don't mean you have
uloThemba.
to judge me. I'm like,
Exactly,
oh,
ulo
shit.
Themba.
I know this guy 3 years ago, and you telling me about
Angaze
in
ngihlale
the
fili.
yeah no
So
le
sokuzokujaja
topic engikhuluma
about
ngayo
that?
guys le
No.
yokujudge umuntu
USA,
kanjani.
No.
USA.
Yeah. I don't think
USA.
mina ukuthi ku-right ukuthi
That's
ujudge
why we
umuntu
bonded.
as far as ngokuzwa.
He knew about me before he came here.
Right.
I knew about him before I even met Uqiniso.
Right.
Okay?
You know,
And then if I wanted to judge Uqiniso before I even met him, I'm gonna be like,
you
okay?
would have had that
Oh, Uqiniso.
with the
Bye.
story that you
Oh,
had.
Bukeliwe. Bye. But he didn't. He had to get to know me.
But you know what I want right now? I want to hear from him because he had something going right now. He had something he would say.
No, what I wanted to say was ukuthi how you perceive a person.
Right.
Ekugcineni, like every other thing, you have a choice.
Right.
Yeah.
It all depends
We all
on you.
do.
Everyone has a choice. Wena Mthimbane ungangitshela ukuthi mangifika kwena ngithi bro wami yazi le chela leyo kuthiwa uceliwe uthi wena leyo chela impendulo ozongiphendula ngayo mangibuza ngomuntu okuthiwa uceliwe uzongiphendula ngokwazi kwakho.
Right.
So leyo nto iyasiza ukuthi umuntu mazi before ube ne-perception yakho ungajudge ngeyabantu.
Okay, I have 2 more minutes, guys. Right? I wanna quickly ask you, because you guys are inspired me. And I'm sure one day I'm gonna ask you to come to the show. Maybe not even me, but personally I would love to.
We would
But
love
the
to be
viewers
We'd love
will
to be with
definitely
you.
wanna have you
We'd
back
love
on the
to
show.
be with you
My
on the show.
2 last questions is quickly, né? Your future endeavors. Well, I don't want people to know what you're gonna do, but what are you gonna do with the next few years of your life? Obviously, I know you're going
Okay,
home.
few years from now, I'm taking my son.
Yes,
Everybody knows
I
have
know
my
that
son.
boy. Oh,
I'm
we
moving
all
up.
love that boy.
We
I'm not gonna
yeah.
retire here. Let me make it clear.
Thank God.
Anyway, Kambula is not gonna retire in America. I'm going home. I've got something going on back home. I can get my papers, I can get my shit together in America, but I'm not gonna retire. This is not for me.
It's just a stepping stone, right?
It's for me to learn.
Right.
I
Which
didn't have
you
that
had.
chance. I came here when I was 23. I didn't have that
Obviously,
chance, but
Gonna go home and
there
give
is
back.
no way I'm gonna retire in America. Thank you.